Hello friends,
Welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club.
and today what are we going to draw?
We are going to draw another hand drawing.
Hand drawing, and that would be the drawing of a
Horse.
what are we going to draw?
Horse.
Say it once again.
Horse.
Horse. We are going to draw a horse
Horse.
using our hands.
Yeah.
This is how the shape will be.
Yeah.
Just follow this. Do it like this. Okay, and this. This is how we keep our fingers. Okay. 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 Is that okay? Now let's continue it.
Done.
Okay. Then what do? We make the eyes.
Yeah.
The
Nose.
okay. The ears. And then we quickly
Color it.
color it up using a gray color and light gray color. Okay. So this was the drawing of the horse.
Yeah.
Did you love it? Did you enjoy doing it?
Yes.
Yes. See you in the.
Next drawing.
But do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us.
Hashtag KidsFunLearnClub and tag us at KidsFunLearnClub.
See you in the next drawing. And do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button below
Yeah.
to see more of such drawing videos from Parikshet. Have a good day. Bye bye.